Alright, hello and welcome. This is the unboxing of the OnePlus 5, the OnePlus 6, damn it, OnePlus 8 Pro.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along?
Right, let's actually get serious. So this is the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. I will admit, it comes out in a very nice box. Has a bit of a suction effect. There we go. Designed by Xiaomi. Okay, so I think in here is the information stuff. Let's have a look. So in here we have the headphone to USB-C connector. It's the 3mm jack. The user guides and warranty information. An included case. Oh wow, it's actually quite a nice case. So it's the Xiaomi case. Damn, it's actually quite a nice case. Quite impressed. And the main highlight, the phone. 108, I wish it was 180. 108 megapixel camera, 144 Hz adaptive sync, Qualcomm 865, and a 5000 mAh battery, 33 watts of charging. Look at that camera. Oh, alright, I'm looking forward to starting this bad boy up. And then if we unbox the rest of it, you have the 33 watt charger. That looks so much like a OnePlus charger. So we got that. And we have the cable. Alright, so that is everything that comes in the Xiaomi box. The cable, 33 watt charger, the case, and the phone. Alright guys, let's set this bad boy up. There we go. Back to side. Let's boot this up. So the fingerprint scanners on the side. Got the volume rockers. And no headphone jack. It's got a very nice finish around the side, I will admit. It's all nice and metallic. And the back, and I will admit, it is a fingerprint magnet, as you can see. It's got a fair bit of fingerprints, which is not fun, but you know, it's still a beautiful phone. There we go. Let's set this up. So I will admit, right out of the box, the vibration motor on this it's really fun. It feels solid. It's quite a good phone. Quite a good vibration motor. I'm really impressed. Compared to the OnePlus 8 Pro, I think this has got a better vibration motor. Okay, so it's fine. I'm gonna skip that because we haven't inserted the SIM card yet. Oh, copy asset data. Right, I need to set up my account on there. So let me get this all set up and then I will show you the rest of it. Bear with me a moment. Okay, we've done majority of the setup. So right now it's asking us to choose our default search engine. Obviously we're going with Google. Do I want to continue? Yes, I do. Okay, we can skip this because it already knows my voice. And no thanks.
One eternity later.
Alright, so now we're setting up the fingerprint sensor. So obviously I need to do my password first. And now we're doing the fingerprint. Okay, move finger slightly. So as you can see, just doing here. There we go, that's done. Yeah. we're gonna go with the classic theme. Okay, so setup complete, ready to rock. Gosh, I'm really impressed with this phone so far. And this was purchased on Amazon, so you can get it directly from the Xiaomi store, but it is not available right now, which is a bit sad. But I managed to strike an awesome deal with this phone. I managed to get it for the retail price, for the price of $3.99, and it retails at $5.99. So that's a £200 discount, which is, in my opinion, fantastic. So I usually rock the Nova launcher, but let's just look at the system launcher for now. Okay, well, I will admit, so first impressions with the drop-down menu, this is really nice. So you got the torch in the back, which is quite nice. Bluetooth, the dark brightness sensor, so let's go all the way down. It's kind of hard to see, but it is very dark. On my end, it's like literally almost pitch black. And then its brightness all the way up, and it is very bright. I'd say it's on par with an iPhone's brightness, to be honest. So that's very impressive. Okay, and then as you see here, we've got different settings. So we've got mute, screenshot, airplane mode, do not disturb mode, screen recording, that's very useful, casting, floating widgets, and yeah, this is looking very impressive already. So this phone does not have wireless charging, which is a bit of a letdown, but to be honest, at $3.99, I'll take it. I'll take it that it doesn't have wireless charging, because, you know, that is an amazing price. So yeah, that's the phone, guys. And then I will do some other I'll do another review of the pictures, so that will be later, see how it goes. But thank you for checking out the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 10T. Thanks.